Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to compare Mexico, the United States, and Canada in the 2026 FIFA World Cup. They were selected to host the World Cup. Mexico is little smaller than the United States, but it has a whole lot more World Cup history, and yet the United States has more World Cup stadiums than Mexico and Canada. The three host countries played in different groups: Mexico in Group A, Canada in Group B, and United States in Group D. Mexico played way better than Canada and the United States. It won all three matches and finished before the best in its group. United States won two matches and finished first in its group. Mexico and the United States finished just at height as each other. Canada finished second is in its group, but it was nowhere near as successful as Mexico. In the round of 32, Canada versus South Africa 1-0. The United States versus Bosnia 2-0, and Mexico versus Ecuador 2-0. All the matches were exciting, but Mexico performed was by far the most impressive. I think Mexico played a whole lot better than the other two host countries. In the round of 16, no, Canada will play versus Morocco. The United States will play Belgica, and Mexico will play Inglaterra, England. England is little stronger than Mexico, but I believe Mexico can win. I hope Mexico shows before its best performance. Thank you for your attention.